Hello students, today you will learn lesson 19 Human Development of SS Standard 10. We are studying Women Empowerment now on page number 166. First line at the top. By passing a law in the parliament, working women have given protection against sexual harassment in government office, private business or as maid means servant. Okay, so against sexual harassment they can complain. There is special committee to address all these problem. Now, various scheme of government, Gujarat government for providing equality to women. Gujarat government scheme for equality to women. Gujarat government has set Women and Child Development Department in 2001. Child वुमेन एंड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट डिपार्टमेंट सेटअप किया गया इन 2001 फॉर सोशल इकोनॉमिकल एंड एजुकेशनल प्रोग्रेस ऑफ वुमेन. गुजरात गवर्नमेंट हैज emphasized on women empowerment by stressing on three aspects of development of women. Three areas for the development of women, as for example, educational empowerment, women health, women safety for uplifting women of poor and common families and women of rural area. तीन aspect: educational empowerment, women health and women safety. For this purpose, government has implemented various schemes in women-centered gender budget with the intention of encouraging girls' education. School entrance ceremony and girl education chariot festival have been started in Gujarat. So when the new year starts in the school, so entrance ceremony is started, arranged. Girls education chariot festival have been started. As a result of it, 100% admission and increase in women literacy has been there. So there is result of 100% admission of girls and women literacy has increased. In Gujarat, girl child in the villages have less than 35% women literacy rate. So in villages, 35% women are literate. So it shows that still, large number of women are illiterate. Of having less than 35% women literacy rate or of families living below poverty line in urban areas are given Vidya Lakshmi bond at the time of admission in primary or secondary school. So this is monetary help, money help. Vidya Lakshmi bond is given to parents with the name of girl child at the time of admission in primary school or secondary school. Under Saraswati Sadhana Yojana, 1,50,000 girls have been given cycle free of cost. 1,50,000 girls have been given cycle free of cost under Saraswati Sadhana Yojana. Girls going out of villages to study are given facility to travel free in the ST bus. So girls who are traveling every day from villages to city to attend school, they are given free traveling in ST bus. Sabla Yojana has been started to provide nutritional food to adolescent girls and to develop their skill. So under Sabla Yojana, adolescent girls are given nutritious food. Gujarat government has made provision of 33% reservation for women in government services. So Gujarat government has started reservation of 33% in government services in local self-government institution. Local self-government means Gram Panchayat, municipality. Women reservation percentage has been increased from 33 to 50%. Rashtriya Swavalamban Yojana means self-reliant. Rashtriya Swavalamban Yojana is implemented to provide pension to the proletarian and destitute old people. Destitute means those who have no home or those who have no son, daughter, people in the later half of their life, that means after 50 years. So Rashtriya Swavalamban Yojana, self-reliant Yojana for the old people. Other than these, destitute widows are given economic help so that they are not forced to lead poor life. Widows whose husband has died, so they are given also economic help. Under Mission Mangalam Yojana, government provides economic help to the women through Sakhi Mandal to make them self-reliant. So under Mission Mangalam Yojana, economic help is given to Sakhi Mandal to make them self-reliant. Means in the Sakhi Mandal Yojana, they can start small business in cooperative basis and then they can sell it and earn profit. For women health, E-Mamta program has been started in which pregnant women are registered through mobile technology and are issued Mamta card. Okay, E-Mamta program. Under E-Mamta program, pregnant women are registered through phone and they are given Mamta card so that death at the time of maternity may be controlled. At the time of delivery, death must be controlled. Along with it, her regular health checkup is done, and after the birth of child, health of mother and child is taken care of through vaccination program, and then child is given different vaccines at different time. For abolition of gender discrimination, Save Girl Child Beti Bachao Abhiyan has been started to stop gender discrimination and to stop abortion of girl child. Okay, and Beti Badhao and Beti Padhao means educate your girl child. Program has given important contribution in women empowerment. Scheduled caste and scheduled tribe pregnant women are provided medicines. SC/ST women, SC/ST caste women are given medicines at the time of pregnancy, laboratory test, operation facility free of cost under Chiranjeevi Yojana. So pregnant women of SC/ST caste are given medicine, and laboratory test, operation facility free of cost at the time of pregnancy. Various schemes have been started for women welfare by Women and Child Development Department of Gujarat. Women and Child Development Department of Gujarat. By extending the coverage of this scheme, we will be able to face challenges of women empowerment. In relation to human development, if we take a deep look into our street and villages, we find that pregnant women are not getting proper nutrition. Underweight child is born. In surrounding area, in middle class or poor area, woman is not getting nutritious food. So, underweight child is born. Child is suffering from malnutrition. Child is also not getting nutritious food. So, child has deficiency of protein, carbohydrate, vitamins. It is called malnutrition. Child is not going to Anganwadi or school, for learning. Children studying in school may not be able to read or write, and they are not able to read and write. Study is abandoned midway, so dropout ratio is high. Poor people's children start helping parents in earning money. Daughters are not sent for higher studies. Youth may not be getting employment, and then the young person don't get job or work. Somebody may die because of accident. Somebody is suffering from some serious disease. Okay, all these things affect human development index of our country. Thus, if not only government but also citizens of country become active in the direction of development, then only we will be able to compete with nations having high human development in future. So only government can't do everything. As a good citizen, we must support government and help government. Now, things to know. On 14 December 2015, United Nations Development Program UNDP published Human Development Report 2015 with the little work for human development. According to this report, along with Human Development Index, following indicators are also included. तो नाउ ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स में ये इंडिकेटर्स इंक्लूड किए हैं. जेंडर डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स, सो इक्वालिटी, वुमेन इक्वालिटी, चाइल्ड एंड यूथ, कंडीशन ऑफ चाइल्ड एंड यूथ, एडल्ट हेल्थ एंड हेल्थ एक्सपेंडिचर, हेल्थ फैसिलिटी एंड एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ ऑन हेल्थ, एजुकेशन, command over allocation of resources for government, social competencies means abilities, social competencies, personal insecurity, that means economic insecurity, social insecurity, international integration, environment, population trends, population growth or control, supplementary indicators, perception of well-being, what people believe, that is perception of well-being. This report may be seen on UNDP website. Okay, here is website address. You can see it. Even report is published in Hindi, English and many other languages in India. Its site is this and this. Okay children, this lesson ends here. I hope you have understood well. Next lesson you will study in next video.